Okay, welcome to another session of our Python programming. Yan. Uh, we will be discussing about Python syntax. The simplest way to declare syntax or statement in Python is simply type, for example, hello, Ma'am Salazar. Then you actually press enter. So it is the simplest creation of statements in Python. Now, the second one is what we call indentation. What is indentation? Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming languages, the indentation is code for readability only. And the indentation in Python is very important. Why? Bakit importante si indentation sa Python programming? Because Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Yan. So importante sa Python yung indentation. So, for example, ang code natin is if 10 is greater than 5, yan. So, nakita nyo nag-indent, di ba? Print 10 is, 10 is greater than 5. Then, okay. Yan. So, pag mag-create ka ng isang block of code, kailangan you use indentation. Now, paano pag hindi mo ginamit si indentation? Example, if, sample ulit natin to, greater than 5. Yan. Di ba nag-indent siya? Paano pag di ko ginamit? Nag-press ako ng backspace. Print. And then yung term natin is 10 is greater than 5. Yan. Then I will press enter. Syntax error. Yan. Expected an indented block. So, importante sa Python language natin na magkaroon tayo ng indentation. Ayan. So, sa Python variables naman, paano ba dinideclare si Python variables? For example, x is equals to 0. And then, y is equals to hello. Ayan. So, we assign the value of 0 to x, and we assign the value of hello to y. Python has no command for declaring a variable. Ayan. For example, we print x. Print x. Okay, the value will be 0. Then another one, print y. The value will be hello. Ayan. Pwede rin, we assign value to a variable na in one line. For example, A is equals to B equals to C equals to 5. Ayan. And then we need to print. Ayan. A, B, C. Ayan. So, ganun naglalaro yung variables natin. Okay? So, next part will be comments. Paano ba si comments? Ayan. So, we declare comments as what? We use this tag. Ayan. This is a comment. Print. Hello, ma'am. Okay. So, technically, hindi nakita yung nilagay natin na line na comment. So, that would be all. Salamat. Tune in for more videos to come. So, thank you.